This video is part of a free learning project made by students who learn from experts. We're sharing this knowledge to help other students and professionals for free. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to stay updated.
First, you log in, please. Log in with your credential, then you are able to see this link. Now you can see the everything. Just accept. Now clone this code, please. Dipanshu, are you ready? When you are ready, please let me know.
I'm not ready, sir.
Sorry?
I don't know why, but my PC is slow.
No worries, no worries. You have a PC or you have a laptop with you?
Laptop.
Okay, no worries. Just share the environment file with Akash and instruct him to do the commands, what command they need to follow. Just take he's sharing one env file on Akash, just keep that in your this project and run the command npm run start. Okay. Npm run start :debug. Okay. So then you are able to run that.
Please paste the URL which you copy from GitHub. Yeah, code is now complete. Please run npm I.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.